Welcome to the 8th speaking test. My name is Farhad Ardiansyah. This test will be three parts, and now we go to the first part of the test. Let's begin. Can you please tell me your full name?
Yes, my name is Ahmad Khairil Istafat. Please call me by given name Khairil.
Okay, Ariel. For part 1, I will ask you a couple of questions to get know. You're better and some questions on general topic. Where you come from and where do you live for now?
I am from Pemalang and for now I live in Semarang because for this time I'm studying in Diponegoro University Semarang majoring in mechanical engineering.
Why do you choose the subject?
First of all, because it's my dream to become a mechanical engineer and now I'm trying to make that dream come true. The second reason, because mechanical engineering has broad job prospect, so the percentage of unemployed mechanical engineering graduates is very small. The third reason, because I like to study about physics, chemical, and mathematics, even though it's actually difficult, but I'm sure I can do that and make my dream come true.
Okay, let's talk about the hobbies. What do you like to do in your spare time?
In my free time, I enjoy a variety of activities. I like reading books, especially self-improvement and psychology of human. I also enjoy my free time with watching television and playing a battle royale games.
Do you think the hobby are important? Why or why not?
I think doing the hobbies are important because it could be stress reliever due to doing various activity that drain your energy. So we can recharge our energy to do other activities.
This is the end of part 1. Now we go to the part 2. Now I will ask you to describe about some topic. I will tell you when to start and when to stop. Describe one of the cultures and art in Indonesia, namely batik. Your speaking time begins now.
Okay. Batik is the art of drawing on cloth using wax and chanting as tools and materials in the manufacturing process. Batik is one of the cultures in Indonesia and has been designated as World Heritage by UNESCO. Each region in Indonesia has its own characteristic batik motifs and styles, and each motif has its own meaning. Various regions have their own batik characteristic, but what is called the city of batik is Pekalongan. And yes, my house is in Pemalang and I often visit Pekalongan, so I know a little about batik. Actually, I have been interested in batik since I was child, but I started to know more deeply when I entered high school in Pekalongan. I started to understand the process of making it from designing the motif, nyanteng, nyolet, coloring the entire coat until it was sewn into clothes. I really I really like batik because it makes me proud as an Indonesian citizen and helps preserve Indonesian arts and culture so that it doesn't fade with time and batik will remain an identity for Indonesia on the international stage.
Your time is up. I will stop you there. And now we will continue with part 2. For this part, I will ask you a question related to your response and some questions connected to the topic of part 2. Have you ever had direct practice in making batik? If you have, since when?
Yes, of course I have. I practiced making batik when I was in high school. At that time, batik became one of the training classes because I was interested that time. So I joined the class and started learning how to make batik. This is where I started to know the true meaning of batik making. When we talk about batik, we are not just talking about the finished product, but we are talking about the process, because the art of batik lies in the process.
Do you think children should study batik at school?
Um, I don't think so, because it comes back to individual interest, but at least they know the procedure for making batik, especially people where batik has become an icon in their area. I think they should learn how to make it, because it is to preserve Indonesian culture so that it does not become extinct over time.
Is it easy to learn how to make batik?
It is not easy, because it takes a years to be able to make batik. There is a lot of process, so I think we can only expert in one or two processes. When we want to be expert in all processes, it will be takes a very long time.
Okay, this section has ended. Thank you for coming here. Good luck for your test session.
You're welcome, sir.